Here are 9 reasons why organizing can be overwhelming when you have ADHD. If you have too much clutter in your home and you know it and you see it and you don't know what you're actually going to do with it because you have no plan, but you do know you want to get rid of it, but you don't know where to start or how to completely get rid of it. That can be a super overwhelming thing because all you can do at that point is look at it, and then it keeps growing and growing. And so that can be one of the most overwhelming things. Now, the other thing is when you actually start to go and declutter your home, trying to do it all at once can be overwhelming as well too. You know you need to get it done, but you're trying to do everything at once, and that is actually a bad plan because if you try to do it once, you're going to start, but you may not finish, and you're going to get frustrated because you know you have to get this room decluttered. And something else that's really overwhelming is the fact that you may not have time to do it. You just think, I have no time to do this. I see all that clutter there. I see that I need to get rid of it. I see I need to organize and put things away and everything, but I just don't have time to go around and organize everything. I just don't have time to figure out where things go and place them in the right place and everything. I just don't have the time to do it right now, and that's going to be very overwhelming for you because you want to do it, you just don't think there's any time to actually do it, and so it never gets done. Another thing that can be really overwhelming about organization is not knowing how long it will actually take. And with ADHD, this is a common thing because guessing how long something's going to take is a executive function type of thing. And ADHD is not real good with time awareness or doing that. And so when you're looking at organizing, trying to figure out, okay, how much time is this actually going to take, and not being able to figure out how long it's going to take, and also knowing that you started stuff before and it takes double the time that you think it's going to take. And if you have something to do during the day, you have to be there a certain time. And so now you are not definitely going to start it because you don't want to be late for doing that thing, even though you do have some time to organize. You just know that you're bad at guesstimating all that, and then that can be a thing that just stops you from actually organizing at all. If you are enjoying the content and getting value out of the content, then click the subscribe button for me so you don't miss any videos. And thinking that you have to be perfect when you're organizing can be overwhelming because now you're looking at stuff and making sure it's in the exact place it needs to, turn the exact way. You come back, you look at everything, how it's placed and everything, and you say, oh, this is an inch off, so I have to actually put this there, or you move stuff around 1,000 times to try to figure out, is this the right place? Is it the perfect way it needs to be because I don't want to make a mistake? That is very overwhelming because you don't want to do that, because you do that and organizing your home is going to take a lot more time than it should. And so because of that, you have to get used to saying, you know, it's okay if it's not perfect, but if you cannot do that, then you're just going to be overwhelmed by the fact of it's not perfect and I want to make it perfect, but I don't know how to get it there. And speaking of decisions, there are a lot of decisions in organizing, and that can be overwhelming. Do you keep something? Do you put it in a certain place? Do you actually move it to wherever in your home? Do you give something away? All these things are decisions you have to make when you're organizing, and there are a lot of decisions. And with ADHD, a lot of times decision making is not a thing that's a really strong suit when you have ADHD. You're going to take more time to decide things. You might be indecisive, and that can be just real trouble and make you feel overwhelmed because you're not sure about this certain decision, or you're not sure about that certain decision. And even when you come to a decision, you start second guessing yourself again before you make the final decision. And getting started can be overwhelming as well, but let's face it, organizing is just not that interesting. And ADHD works on an interest-based system, meaning whatever is more interesting gets first priority, even if the thing that is less interesting is actually something that's essential that needs to be done. And so you find something more interesting, you're going to go do that thing or be interested in doing that thing. And then you figure out that organizing, it can wait. It's not super urgent or anything. I can always do it later. Let me go do this other thing that's way more fun, way more interesting, instead of actually organizing. And so then that leads to procrastination with organizing, because you keep putting it off and putting it off and putting it off until it's absolutely urgent, Like maybe you have somebody coming over to visit you. You realize that your house is just, or your home is just not in order. And so that kind of forces you to get motivated at that point to go and organize. But if that's not the case, you may just put it off more and more, and then you never get started with it. And you know you should get started with it. You know you need to get started, but it just never seems to happen. And thinking that you'll come back and organize later, like you started and you're gonna come back and finish it later, can be overwhelming, because every time you do that, you realize that you never come back and finish it later. Like it's just maybe a 5% chance that when you leave to go do something else and you were organizing, that there's a 5% chance that you come back and finish that organizing. And then it never gets done, and then that's frustrating, and then that can be overwhelming because you meant to do it, you meant to come back, but it just never got done. And you may not even realize you didn't come back until much later when you're looking for something and thinking, you know, if I just organize this, I'd be able to find all this stuff I'm looking for, but you never came back, and so it just never gets done. And this is one of the most frustrating and overwhelming things about organizing, is just remembering where you place things. You put stuff in this super secret safe place so you know you will remember it, and then you forget where that place is and you can't find the thing. Or you put something down behind something, out of sight, out of mind. You forgot you put that thing behind it, and now you're looking all around for it and you cannot find it. And so this is a really big issue when you're organizing, is just having some sort of tricks or hacks to help you remember things. But if you don't, you may just forget a lot of different places for things, of where things need to go or where to actually go to find certain things. And that can be frustrating. That can be overwhelming. And that's just no fun. And here's the thing, organizing can be overwhelming, but why does your home stress you out when you have ADHD? I have a video on that. I'm gonna put it up on the screen. Just click it and watch that video.